The Allegro shape evolved from a package requirement which was dictated by engineering, which was to put in a variety of engines from the 1100 and also to put in the Maxi engine as well. Maxi engine was a rather large engine. There was also a new heater which was carried over from the Marina. But once these new requirements started to come in, the height went up, the body got a little bit more bloated, and from our original concepts that we created in the studio, they weren't able to be achieved anymore. I think that the specification that we've been dictated to didn't allow us really to regenerate a new 1100.
Want some wheels, John? Certainly, sir. What about a Mini? Not very comfy, are they? Have you driven a Mini lately, sir? Not a lot, no. I've been in Nicaragua, you know what I mean?
Then you'll hardly recognize the Austin Morris range. The Mini Clubman, for example, has deep, comfortable reclining seats, carpet wall-to-wall, and tinted glass as standard. Care for a trial?
Trial?
The Allegro, very economical, shown by AA's Drive magazine to be one of the cheapest cars to run on four wheels.
It would need to be, wouldn't it, with petrol 5 and a tenner a gallon?
You have been away a long time, sir. Do you like it inside?
Didn't say I've been inside, you know.
For the Marina, aerodynamic spoiler, new overhead cam engine, and luxurious new interior. Just the thing for a long stretch.
Stretch?
Long legs in the back. Well, not in your case. Bags of room for a family car. Take this Maxi. You get 5 years. 5 gears. Versatile as ever. Put all the seats back and you lie down. Sideways, I should think. How about a Princess? All the wide open space you ever dreamt of, and a new overhead cam engine that's so quiet that even at this speed you can hardly hear a thing.
I can hear a police siren.
The great Austin Morris range, all with super cover and some still available at pre-increased prices. Mini, Allegro, Marina, Maxi, Princess. They may look familiar, but you won't recognize them.
That's not me, that's my twin brother.
Austin Morris.
speaking. I'm from the tax office.
Oh, many happy returns.
If you're as poor as you claim, how can you afford 4 cars? The BL double bonus, old boy. Saved a bundle on them. This new Mini, the 81 Allegro. Can I look over your new Ital?
Not without a ladder.
And a new Princess. I'm not buying that.
Good. I'm not selling it. It's so economical to run, I couldn't afford to. On your bike.
Why not see your BL dealer? The BL double bonus could save you a fortune.
A small fortune in his case.